To change the sound of your ringtone, all you need to do is go into your settings, find sounds and notifications, and at the top there you can control the level or the volume of your ringtone. You can also choose the sound that you would like to play under ringtones. In this case you just heard it was Over the Horizon. You could even change it to another different one. But when you found the one you like, just press OK. You can even choose the vibration and how the vibration is going to work. So you can have an intensity of the vibration of an incoming call or of notifications like a text message or an email, or something called haptic feedback. And we have the vibrations here. So we've got the basic call vibration, got heartbeat, jingle bell, tick-tock, free time waltz, zigzag, so that you can even have personified notifications as well.